In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payoneer to your Etsy shop in a simple and straightforward way. As we know, Etsy is a fantastic platform for selling unique handmade and vintage items, and efficient payment processing is a vital part of running your shop smoothly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Etsy account. Head over to Etsy.com and sign in with your seller credentials. Once you're in, locate the Shop Manager option, which you'll find in the top right corner of your Etsy dashboard. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page where you can manage all aspects of your Etsy store. From here, navigate to the Finances tab and select Payment Settings. This section is crucial, as it's where you configure how you will receive your earnings from Etsy. Now let's move on to adding Payoneer as a payout method. Under the How You'll Get Paid section, click on Add Payout Method. This is where you specify how Etsy will transfer your earnings to you. In the options presented, select Bank Account. This choice is essential in linking Payoneer. Once you've chosen to add a bank account, you'll need to fill in the bank details provided by Payoneer through their global payment service. These details typically include the bank name, your account number, the routing number, or SWIFT code. This depends on your currency and the country you're operating in, and the account type, which is usually checking. Enter these details carefully to avoid any errors that might delay processing. After filling out all the necessary fields, make sure to save the changes to confirm Payoneer as your payout method. The final step is verification and confirmation. Etsy may send a small deposit test amount to your linked Payoneer account to verify that everything is set up correctly. This deposit test can be instant, but in some cases it might take up to 2 to 3 business days. During this period, keep an eye on your Payoneer account. Once the test deposit shows up and is validated, Etsy will officially link your Payoneer linked bank account as the payout method for future earnings disbursements. This confirmation marks the successful connection between your Etsy shop and Payoneer, enabling seamless financial transactions. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to connect your Etsy account with Payoneer, ensuring your earnings are transferred securely and efficiently. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll manage your shop finances with greater ease. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling on Etsy.